This is a quick installation guide on how to install your door isolators. Okay, so this door isolator has been on my car for about a few months now, so it's going to be a little tough to remove, but I want to show you the removal process first. That way you know it's not so bad if you have to remove them for any reason. So you just go ahead and just grab onto it from underneath, and with a little bit of force, pull them out. Now what you'll have remaining is a little bit of the tape. All you have to do is just peel the tape off. I'm gonna break in a few pieces, that's okay. As you can see, it doesn't leave anything behind on the finish. And that's it. A little more residue right there. Just scratch that off. Installation of the door isolators is very easy. All you need to do is just clean off the area that's going to be adhesed like this. Get the dry side and make sure it's dry. Just with a little water, it's fine. You can use alcohol or something like that too, but just make sure it's dry before you attach it. Now we just have the door isolator, and what you do is peel off the backing tape like I've already pre-done, because it can be a little bit of a pain to kind of grab the edge. And so then what you do is you undo the backing tape to the sticky side, and then what you have to do is bring the isolator up to the very edge where it's touching, where you can actually feel it against this wall here. Okay, and just below the rubber molding. Just below the rubber molding. It can be a little lower, it can be a little higher, but it shouldn't touch the rubber, that's all. And just turn it over and lock it in place. And just press down good, so that the adhesion works well. Okay, and now what you have to do is you have to wait about around 5 minutes to let it set up, and then we'll get to the next section. Now that 5 minutes have gone by, we want to go ahead and close the door, but we want to do it very carefully. So what you want to do is just get it to kind of latch. You'll hear 2 clicks. So push on it carefully till you hear the first click. Okay, and then push on it some more until you hear the second click, and that's it. And then what you want to do is you want to wait for about 15 to 20 minutes to really let it set up and let the adhesion do its thing. And that's pretty much it. After that, you can open the door and close the door. So what you'll notice when you're actually closing the door, you'll feel some resistance, which is a good thing. That's how you know that it's actually the right clearance. And if it's too loose, then you can add another strip of tape over that other tape, and then it will actually be a little bit more interference, but it can also cause a little bit more wear. So that just depends on your preference. And that's about it, really. So you can just open and close the doors after that, just as you normally would, and everything is good.